Alright y'all, so we are ready to apply our graphics. Our graphics are going to be veins. We are going to be shooting in here. Yes, I said shooting. So we just doctored up this back wall here. You'll see why here in just a second. Go ahead. Look, this is probably the easiest type of vein work that you could ever put in one of your pieces. Okay, comes right out of a can. You can get this on Amazon. Okay, Montana marble spray. Now, keep in mind when you're looking, because I don't want you to have this problem. When you're looking on Amazon, you need to pay attention to the title. It'll say Montana marble spray and it'll list a bunch. There's several different colors, white, gray, black, copper, maybe even a couple of more. But what you need to watch out for, when it says Montana marble spray, that is what you're looking for. If it says Montana marble spray paint, if the word paint is in there, you're getting a spray paint. You're not getting what I'm getting ready to show you out of this can. Now, we've been using these for a number of years, at least 3 or 4 years or so. But like I said, the coolest vein work you can get. Anybody can do it. All you need is these 2 cans right here, or whatever your color is. You're going to shake them up, just like a spray paint. You can hear that ball in the bottom. And what you always want to do, we've already tested ours, but I'm going to test it over here on the plastic just to make sure. Yep, we're good. First thing I want to show you, it really matters. It matters. I'm going to stand on a bucket. That way I can get to all this really well. So it really matters how far away you are. The motion of your arm as you hit that trigger, all those things play a role. There is no right way or wrong way to shoot these. It is to your preference. So, a lot of times we've shot these out and we had an area that, we felt like needed more attention, or something to that degree. So you're just playing all this by sight, by feel. It's nothing you need to worry about, or it's going to turn out wrong. These are going to come out of the can how they're going to come out. You cannot control that. What you can control is the motion in behind your shot and the closeness that you are to the counter, which is why I'm standing on a bucket. I'm going to see how that works. Normally we're not shooting something this high, so most of the time I'm down here on the ground and everything, which I will be here shortly, because I want a lot of this that gets shot, I want to hit these edges too as it folds up on the counter. But right out the gate, I'm going to pop one here. I think we're going to go predominant gray, and we're going to have that white splash into it here and there. So right out the gate, I'm going to put one right here on this edge, and I'm going to send it. That's why I got this back wall covered. I'm going to send that vein right up to the back wall till it disappears. Whoa. So, don't hit the wall that hard just like I did, but you can see how it just made that vein pop right across. What's going to happen is over here on the edge side, you'll see when I get inside there where Tom's at, you're going to have these little cobwebs, so to speak, coming from the vein work. It's going to fold over that edge. Anything that is kind of blowing or dangling, just take your finger and wipe those clean. Tom, you shouldn't have tagged the wall like that. All right, so this is the gray effect, okay? This is the gray one. Now I'm going to take one right here and I'm going to send it off this way. Notice how I was already spraying back here before I ever took off that direction. Now I'm going to get out of this little circle here. You can always put more on. I never sit here and just concentrate on one area. Like, I'm going to scoot over here now and put some over here, because a lot of the blank area right through here, we'll get to that here in a little bit. We're just trying to get a nice little coating on here See how everything turns out. See, I already had it going back here so that I shot across. It just leaves, you know, enough to hit the surface. If you kind of start your spray, if I'm already right here and I start spraying, it's going to put a thicker kind of blob going across there that you know, again, it's all personal preference. Just depends on what you like. All right, I'm going to do that right now, Tom. I'm going to come over this way. We're going to get a nice little shot going all the way across here. Just like that. See, look how thin that thinned out. Now I'm going to put one going this way here. There you go. There we go. Now, this is what I'm talking about right here. See that? Just take your finger, push down what's going to push down, and then get the rest of these off. Just like that. You don't want to miss any of these. It's very crucial. Get all those tails to suck up under there. Don't miss none, because if you do, and we go to flood coat this, it's going to run down that little guy, and you know, it's the resin's going to run down that little bit hanging, and you're going to have all these hanging little drips that you got to worry about. So right there, that's already looking really sharp. Okay. So now I don't have anything kind of right going through here and over in this area, so I'm going to get a shot of that. I think I'm going to take it right here from this corner, Tom, and go up this way. Just like that. There we go. Like I said, there's no wrong or right way. You can put a lot of vein work up here. You can put a little bit of vein work up here. Okay, that's the gray we've been shooting. Now I'm going to switch over and I'm going to put a little bit of white into this. See a big difference here in the white. That's going to give it some more vibrancy. It's going to give it some, just some different graphic and everything in it. Look at that. We got a few bald spots here. We'll fix them. There you go. I like that one. And let's cross right over with that one. There we go. Look at that. Now, you know we're going to run short on the video, you guys. We're going to have to bring you back in another time to actually get all the vein work done. We only got 10 minutes per video. Look at that. There we go. Okay, so look, we're going to go ahead and probably go ahead and cut you off here. We've got about a minute or so left to go, and we're going to have to bring you back in and show you kind of where we're finishing up, but it is literally this easy, and you can keep going as much as you like or as less as you like. That's the whole goal. It's your preference. It's what you want to see. Doesn't matter what anybody else thinks. There's people out there right now on camera going, he should shoot one here and shoot one here. It's your preference. It's whatever you like, whatever you want to see. So far this is looking really well. We're going to get all this wrapped up and bring you all back with another episode, and we'll get these veins finished up. And we're going to move right into the flood coat today. All right, y'all, we got about 30 seconds left. I just wanted to show you our finish here with the veins. Check it out. Isn't that super cool? Look how that edge and everything hit. Look at that. So y'all stay tuned. Come back and see us. We're getting ready to take this and go right into the flood coat.